Let's see the recent maritime accidents. Singapore Bridge, disabled container ship, on tow. The Singapore Bridge was towed by the offshore tug Fairmount Expense on November 13, with the port of destination still unknown. AIS has been gone for the last 6 hours. The ETA for the flight from Port Klang, Malaysia, to Mumbai, India, was originally set for November 5, however it was pushed back to November 13. After a 12-day drift, a Post-Panamax container ship Archimedes will be towed. The tug Mextug Duero is said to be towing Archimedes. Towed from Lázaro Cárdenas, Mexico, to an unknown destination, Archimedes was incapacitated on November 2 and did not sail again until November 6. Bulk carrier collides with lighter, sinks, 3 missing. 3 of the lighter ship's 6 crew members went missing. Shortly after the catastrophe, the bulk carrier HANDY PERTH left Mongla and moored in the Bay of Bengal near the mouth of the Kunga River. As of the morning of November 16, she was either moored or underway in the same place, with the status for order. An inland and seagoing cargo ship collided on the Rhine. On November 5, RMS Duisburg and Archipel crashed head-on in the Rhine River near Duisburg. Both ships were pulled to Rotterdam, where they remain berthed, after suffering severe bow damage. 11 crew members rescued after Chinese cargo ship sinks off Fuzhou. Hongyun Da-58, a cargo ship, sent out a distress signal and reported sinking due to water penetration. All 11 crew members were recovered, 2 by Taiwanese SAR and 9 by Chinese SAR, and they are all safe. Off the southern shore of Nangan Island, Matsu Islands, in the southern East China Sea, an incident happened. Cargo ship goes aground in Chilean fjords. The Chilean cargo ship ISLA TAUTIL, which was carrying fish meal for fish farms, came aground in the southern Chile fjords of 5053s, 7413 watts on November 16. There have been no leaks recorded. The Fuente-Alba, a Chilean SAR ship, arrived on the site. Collision of general cargo ships, Sweden. The general cargo ship JND collided with the general cargo ship Sea Endurance on November 14 at Havstensfjord, north of Gothenburg, Sweden, according to reports. The causes of the collision are unknown. Damages to the JND can be observed in a photo, but the Sea Endurances are unknown. Ship disabled in Marmara Sea, towed to Tuzla. The ship Fortunate encountered mechanical breakdown shortly after departing Tuzla late November 17 in ballast on its way to Poti, Georgia, on the Black Sea. As the ship approached the Bosphorus in the Marmara Sea, the Istanbul Ship Traffic Services Center dispatched a tug to help the crippled vessel. In the South China Sea, a Chinese cargo ship sank, but its crew is safe. 13 crew members abandoned the ship and boarded a lifeboat, where they were rescued by a fishing vessel. Everyone is safe. Off the coast of Hualai, Guangdong Province, China, in the South China Sea, 40 nautical miles east of Hong Kong, an event occurred. Hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in comments section. Subscribe to MarinAura.